Today's Wednesday. So it's been 3 days since I mowed. Guess. I got a new toy today. Another new one. Just bought this one because it was a pretty cheap deal on Amazon, but there it is. I have upgraded to this Elite spreader. I know there's so many different spreaders out there, but look, I got 1,000 square feet in the backyard and about 2,500 square feet in the front yard. If I had a big yard, I would buy a different spreader. I'd spend money on a spreader. Since I got a small yard, I got this for 70 bucks. That's all I'm willing to spend. I'm not going to spend hundreds of dollars. Everything you see here that I use, I've bought with my own money. So I work hard for my money, and I'm not going to go blow it on a spreader. Just doesn't make any sense to me. I have an old Scott's spreader that I've had for 17 years, still works great. This was on sale on Amazon for 70 bucks, so I said, let's do it. I'm not going to put it together today because I got a softball game in an hour and a half. It's starting to feel like fall. The sun, it's hot, but the breeze is cold. That tells me, I was a groundskeeper for 13 years. That tells me, and ran a landscaping crew for over 10 years. That tells me fall is on the way. I get that feeling in my bones. I know. That was my toe. Well, I have to put it together. I don't need that. Oh man. Well, I think I need 2 hands for this one. Doesn't push. Whoa. Not to bend over anymore? Cool little hubcaps. What does this tell me to do? It's pretty obvious. I've had this thing forever, and you can tell it's been used pretty good. I'm surprised it still works. It still works. I got this one. I'm not a big fan of this one. It doesn't pull. Not a big fan. I don't like this. When I'm spreading, the product falls into here and it doesn't. Yeah. This already, I can tell you, don't know. I'll find out. I am shying away from granular stuff, so doing more of the liquids. I've been loving the liquids. They've been great. It rolls so nice. I dig it. Oh, hey there. Hey, I got a little special something. Welcome to my extremely crowded garage. Who else took advantage of Yard Mastery's sale over Labor Day weekend? I know I did. Got me some new products. Really excited to get on the lawn. Got me some Green Punch. Got me some Aerate. Let's see. I got some Green Pop. Good old Green Pop. And I got some Green Start. And got some stickers. Yard Mastery. Smells like success. Yes, it does. And then, nice thank you card. You're welcome. Thank you, Yard Mastery, for existing. You know, I've been using the RGS, Humic 12, and Microgreen 002. Outside of the front yard, I ain't gonna talk about that. I've had success in the back, so I'm not gonna talk about the backyard right now because it's Thursday, the 16th, and I haven't watered since Saturday. We haven't had a lot of hot days. Definitely feel spring is in, or spring. I wish. Fall is in the air. I've got nice warm sun with a cold breeze. I love the way that feels. I need to aerate, so I got aerate. I want a little pop and I want a little punch and I need a little start. So my goal is to see just how well these products work out in the front yard. That's all I got. That's all I got for now. I got a bag of charcoal here. It's got a hole in the bottom of it. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Sam's Club. It's not bad. Just hasn't taken off. Yeah. Hello. A lot of green clumps everywhere now, thanks to these animals. I can draw it out for you, right? Right here. Shade. Mostly in the shade now. I've outgrown my little tool shed. I've outgrown it. There's just too much stuff in here. Soon, I'm gonna dethatch. I've outgrown the shed. I would love to have a new shed. A big shed, all in there. All in that area. Love to have that, but funds, money doesn't grow on trees. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Leo the crab. It's from Casa Agria, so good stuff. Really good stuff. drink some beer, go watch the Giants and go watch the Giants and the Redskins play. Notice the announcers, they always call them Washington football team. I'm a Chargers fan, they still call them San Diego Chargers. Redskins. I'll give you guys a little shot of where I was at today on base, where I was at. It's pretty cool. Should have done more, could have done more, but I was enjoying from where I was standing, so stay tuned for that at the end. Special. Till next time, folks. Cheers. Oh man, that is so good. Maybe so.